Hello, fan and light enthusiasts. Braxton, which is fan and light guy here. So what we have here today is a Hunter Williamsburg low profile ceiling fan. So this thing is from 1987. Got this from Cody off of eBay. I think it was last year. Um, for $40 if I remember correctly. And this is probably the first one I've ever seen. First Williamsburg low profile I've ever seen. Um, on YouTube and in person. So, yeah. And then another thing that you may have noticed, or one thing that you may have noticed, I have a tripod now. As you can tell by the camera being stable, I finally got a tripod. So that's really nice. So yeah, um, you can tell it used to have a light kit right here. So, but unfortunately, well, not unfortunately, but it did not come with a switch cap. I'll say that. It had a single fitter when I got it, but I decided to take it off because it hung down too low with it. So I decided to just leave it like the way it is. So yeah, just an adapter ring that's right here, the bottom part. That's just an adapter ring. So yeah, let's get this baby rolling. Here's low, forward. Now I warn you, if the well, I got to be careful because of those cups above those blades. So what was that? I don't know what that was, but okay. Move the tripod a little bit. That's better. Medium. Over here. Make sure it's not gonna hit. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna do high speed on that. On a forward at least. Blowing a decent amount of air from here though. So pretty impressed with it. So if it starts hitting, I'm gonna have to turn it down quick. There we go. Didn't hit, but oh boy, I was close. Spin down's pretty long on this guy though. So yeah. Bearings are pretty good. The thing has the I forgot to mention it has the gloss uh, oak. I think that's what it is. Yeah, I don't know what type of finish that is. I'm not good with the wood finishes, so please bear with me on that one. It's like one of the blades are a little warped. Like they're warped like that. Why, I have no clue, because when I got it in the mail, it wasn't like that, so something must have happened. I also have the other one installed. So right now it's running on low reverse, which is where I tend to keep this one at, the low profile. So the regular one, see if you guys can see it from here. There we go. You can see it down there. I love this camera stand. It's really good. It's really nice. Although it's a challenge to deal with to put my phone in, but It's worth the price. That's still going. It's just the camera again. Yeah, it's doing pretty well. You can see the whole fan now. That's good. It's one thing I like about these camera stands. They're really helpful for keeping the camera stable. So happy about that. Oh, it's still going. This thing has been up there for a little bit now, so it makes sense. The light in the background. I think you guys got a better look now. Yep. That's better. Alright, low reverse. This is where I tend to keep it on it. So, because I think it does its job doing that. So, considering the blade pitch, I don't know the blade pitch because I'm not good with those blade pitches and the motor size. So, although it would be useful if I were to get some measuring tape, I guess. There's low reverse. Time to bump it up to medium reverse. Nice and windy outside. Don't know if you guys can hear it. As you can tell from right there on those blades, there you can definitely tell they're gloss because of that. Because of the reflection. It's in decent shape, so happy about that. There's high reverse. Trust it more in high reverse than high forward. Feeling quite a bit of air. Just going to stop it. Okay, now 0 to high. Wish I had the amp meter to use that with. Oh well. Alright. Take this thing back down to low, and then we're done with the video. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, have a great day, folks, and peace.